Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Hey, I'm looking at these two Super-Automatic Espresso Machines, the Philips 3200 series, renewed, and the Café Affetto. Both look pretty cool, but I'm trying to figure out which one's better.
Oh yeah, I saw those. The Philips is around $600, right? And it's renewed, which is something to consider. The Café Affetto is a bit cheaper, like $500, but it's brand new.
Exactly. Price is definitely a factor. The Philips boasts 5 coffee varieties, including iced coffee, which is a big plus for me. It also has that LatteGo system for milk frothing.
The Café Affetto makes espresso, americano, and hot water, and it has a built-in steam frother, which is nice. It also connects to Wi-Fi, so you can customize your drinks through an app. Fancy.
Wi-Fi? That's cool, I guess. The Philips has ceramic grinders, which they say last for 20,000 cups. That sounds super durable.
Good point. The Café has a stainless steel conical burr grinder, and you can adjust the grind size with 5 levels. So more control over the grind, maybe?
Yeah, that's true. The Philips is a bit bigger, at 17 inches deep, while the Café is only 7.1 inches deep. Space is kinda tight in my kitchen, so the Café might be a better fit.
And the Café has a smaller bean hopper, just over 6 ounces. The Philips doesn't mention the hopper size, which is kind of annoying.
I saw the Philips has a higher rating, like 4.1 stars. The Café is only 3.5, which is a little concerning.
True, but the Café has a lot more reviews, like almost 400 compared to Philips 20. More data to consider, you know? And the Café has a 20 bars pump pressure.
Okay, that's a lot to think about. It sounds like the Philips is simpler, more focused on preset options and durability, while the Café gives you more customization and app connectivity. And it makes Americanos.
Plus, new versus renewed is a big deal. If you're okay with refurbished, the Philips might be fine. But for peace of mind, the new Café Affetto might be the way to go, especially considering the price difference and smaller size.
Okay, I think you've convinced me. The Café Affetto sounds like a better fit for my needs. Thanks for the help. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.